Hi, Dr. Sandeep. Women in my family have breast cancer. What are the tips to reduce the risk of breast cancer?
There are some key steps that you should remember when you want to avoid or prevent breast cancer. Predominantly, it belongs to your lifestyle. So, when we talk about lifestyle, what is important are the food habits and exercise. Apart from that, the addictions are an important factor. So, this particular aspect of your life will bring down the risk significantly. So, if you further dig into it, the key food or your dietary habits that will reduce the risk of breast cancer are consumption of vegetables and fruits, whereas consumption of high fatty diet increases the risk. On the other side, when we talk about exercise, it is well documented today. There is enough research to prove that a 30-minute exercise per day, just 30 minutes of exercise per day, will reduce your risk of many of these critical illnesses, which includes breast cancer. On the other side, we are talking about obesity. Obesity does increase the risk of diabetes also. Now, a diabetic patient is also at an increased risk of breast cancer. So you can see how the things are linked to each other. In fact, you can never see that one disease is isolated. It's a chain of multiple things which link to each other and lead to a cancer. So there are a few other things which you need to look at when you are looking at reducing the risk. Smoking is a very important factor, which is involved in many other cancers. We don't have a proof for breast cancer, but remember, again, the link is a link. Alcohol consumption, especially heavy alcohol consumption, has been linked to breast cancer. Usage of hormonal pills, especially the oral contraceptive pills, especially during usage of those oral contraceptive pills, has been linked to increased risk of breast cancer. Now, it's a very important thing to remember that OCPs or oral contraceptive pills have a lot of advantages when it comes to some other cancers like ovarian cancer, colon cancer. In fact, they are protective against those. But they do cause or they increase the risk of breast cancer only in the period during which it is consumed. So, the risk reduces and comes back to normal very shortly after stopping it. So, what is advised is avoid these oral contraceptive pills over the age of 30 years. So, below that, it is acceptable. Again, another important factor which you should remember is the breastfeeding. It is very well known that a person who gets pregnant after the age of 30 does not get much benefit in reducing the risk of breast cancer. So, a person who gets pregnant before 30 has a definite advantage over a person who gets pregnant after 30. At the same time, a person who breastfeeds has a reduced risk of breast cancer. There are people who take hormones after menopause to avoid menopausal symptoms. That also increases the risk of breast cancer. So, by far, these are the factors by avoiding which you can reduce the risk of breast cancer.